Assalam.i.alikum. My dear viewers, first of all, welcome you to the YouTube channel. I hope you are having a good day. Today, the recipe that I have brought for you will make you like and subscribe this video most definitely, because this recipe is about 100 years old and had been used very frequently in the family as a herbal medicine for cough, flu, and many other different nauseatic feelings. Now I will share the list of ingredients. There's 10 whole black peppers, 10 pieces of clove, 3 sticks of cinnamon, 4 green cardamom, 1 piece of black cardamom, 5 small pieces of ginger, pinch of tea, and finally topping this all with the most favorite of mine, that is misery. You can see that I brought it close for your view. Okay, so now what is needed moving forward is that you need to take 5 cups of water, medium-sized cups, boil them until they skim down to about 4 cups. Once you are left with 4 cups of material, you add all of these ingredients. For children, you can have it twice a day for about 3 days, and for adults, you can have it as per your taste or as per your likeness. Okay, now you have to let it rest in this container for about a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes or so, and then you're good to go. I hope you like the video. Have a very good day. A healthy living to all.